Winsome. Someone who is charming in an attractive way. He looked so winsome in his new outfit. She gave a winsome smile to the camera. Studious. Someone who likes to study a lot. She is very studious and reads every day. My sister is studious and wants to be a doctor. Scold. To speak angrily to someone because they did something wrong. The teacher scolded the noisy students. He was scolded for breaking the glass. Grasp. To hold something tightly. She grasped my hand tightly. He grasped the rope and climbed up. Authentic. Real, true, or original. I want to eat authentic Italian food. This is an authentic painting. Callous. Emotionally cold or unkind. The boss seemed callous toward his workers. He was callous to the poor man's story. Stalwart. A person who is loyal and brave, especially in difficult times. The stalwart firefighter saved the child. He is a stalwart friend who always supports me. Deceit. Lying or tricking someone to get what you want. The story was full of deceit. Deceit can destroy trust. Idle. Not doing anything. He sat idle all day. The workers were idle during the break. Eloquent. Speaking clearly and beautifully. She gave an eloquent speech. The teacher spoke so eloquently that everyone listened.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!